Yeah, they recorded it as like a notice of filing. Where's that big packet? But in this packet, somewhere it says notice of appeal.
Yes.
Oh, somewhere in there.
Yeah.
And a motion for motion to vacate judgment.
I probably would have read that far. We have to have, it has to like notice of appeal, doesn't it? It would never.
It's not in that one. I only made one copy of that one.
Well, they just put it as a notice of filing, which
I have to go downstairs.
it's October. I'm assuming this is it. It's October 19th, so they probably pro se.
It will be after. It will be after October. Let me see. May I see that?
This is what they have on the system.
Yeah, and they have it
29th.
Yeah, the 29th.
That's the paperwork.
Okay, let me see.
So it's downstairs.
Yeah. But where does it say notice of appeal? You didn't.
I didn't see it in there.
No, it's not. I don't have a copy. I only made one copy of notice of appeal, and it was in that packet.
Oh, it was in that packet.
Yes.
Gotcha. October
And
29th. What division is it?
And a motion to vacate judgment.
Other case 6991. I don't know.
We're gonna go pull this from the.
We have your phone number.
Okay.
We have to. We haven't received.
See, this is the problem.
We have to go get it. We have to go search for it.
Okay.
It's filed in the other case. 699. Yeah, we have the number.
This is the problem. I'm representing myself, and the court is operating on autopilot. They've ignored every motion I've filed in the court and didn't allow me to put in certain evidence and deal with certain facts of the case. So I'm trying to resolve this matter because it's becoming a trespass. I understand that the clerk's office is separate from the court. The court is committing a fraud, and I'm trying to deal and get myself from underneath that fraud.
Right. So you want to appeal it. You're trying to file an appeal to the district court.
Yeah, I've done that.
Right.
I've actually sent it, and they sent it back saying that I need to file it in the lower court.
Right.
That's when I called, and I was like, no, I've already filed it. I don't even think I brought it.
Right. Right. Well, we have to find this paperwork because it hasn't made it. We don't have it here, so we have to go find this paperwork and find your notice of appeal so we can process it. That's what needs to be done.
Okay. I've also put in for a motion to vacate judgment.
That's with that packet.
That's also with that packet.
Motion to discharge, October 26th, a motion to discharge, per se.
And yeah, those issues, the only thing we handle here is a notice of appeal. Every other motions, he has to take it. You have to take that issue downstairs where you filed it in felony.
I've done so already.
And what did they say?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
See, they just put notice of filing in that too. They didn't.
They just had a hearing December 4th, so I would think that they would acknowledge those motions.
Wait,
No.
not if it's just filed.
No, see, everything that I give to the court, all they do is they just file it.
That's today.
They don't go through it.
Look what they put, notice of filing, and they just put it in the file. No one's going to go and...
They're telling me I need an attorney, and I'm saying, no, I'm representing myself. So when my information goes to the state attorney, they're just ignoring my paperwork. I know how to fight on paper.
When you were in court, did you question that these motions, are they in the file? Can we address these motions? Were they in the file?
They don't want to hear. They tried to arrest me today. They tried to arrest me today. The court is committing a fraud, and I'm trying to get some relief. So that's why I'm humbly requesting if you can get that file, get that appeal in.
The file's upstairs with the.
Oh, it just went to court. Yeah, you know what? We wouldn't even be able to get that file right now because you were just in court this morning.
We can call the docket clerk, see if it's in the paperwork. She can pull it. But if it was going to court, they were supposed to file that. The upcoming court date, all paperwork should be in the file.
Well, that's the thing. The clerk of the court has not been putting all of my documents on the uniform case reporting as required by law. Because I've placed a money order and 2 private bonds that don't appear on the registry at all. That is a theft of my intellectual property. I filed a criminal complaint of misfeasance in office on the clerk, and no one wants to hear. No one wants to
All
hear.
we can do is request the file and have them send it to us. That's the only thing we
Yeah,
can
the
do.
only thing we can do with the notice of appeal.
Yeah, for the notice of appeal.
Everything else downstairs on with the judge.
But the judge is the one that's committing the crime.
Right, but the only thing we can do here is pull the file, get the notice of appeal, certify it, and send it to the 4th District and start the appeal process. That's the only thing we can do here.
Could you do that for me, please?
Sure, yeah.
And give me a call if something is amiss. Give me a call, because I do have the appeal that I sent to the district court, and they're saying.
Right, because that has to come from us.
Yeah, that's
right.
the case number.
Yeah.
We need to file too. The 2 files. All right.
And I need somebody to really just understand. I'm just a citizen that knows his rights very well,
I understand.
and they're just trampling on me. I'm just looking for some relief.
Okay. We'll pull the files and we'll get the notice and we'll get that moving.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That notice of appeal definitely.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.